Paint some white polish onto a stamper and press it on your nail for an easy French tip. Got a chip on the tip of your nail? Add some glitter to the tip and then fade it towards the cuticle to get more days out of your mani. Did you know that you can use a Sharpie for nail art? It's much easier than using a brush. If you don't have a makeup sponge to do gradient nails, just rip a piece off a kitchen sponge. Can't get your nail polish bottle open? Wrap an elastic band around it and voila! Neon polishes are almost never opaque, but you can fix this by painting a white coat of polish before applying the neon one. It looks so much better. Want to remove nail polish without acetone? Just add a clear coat on top of the dried polish and then wipe it all off with a dry cotton ball. White marble is such an easy and chic nail design. Dab plastic wrap into gray polish and press it over white nails. Use a peel-off base coat to make glitter removal easy peasy. No dotting tool, no problem. Grab a pen instead. Want your glitter polish to be more opaque? Paint it on a makeup sponge first and then sponge it on your nail. Add a glossy top coat to make it shine. Get the perfect gradient by using a small piece of sponge and tweezers to stipple a darker polish over a lighter one. Make your own nail art stickers by painting little decals onto a sandwich bag. Add a thick top coat, allow to dry, and then you can peel them off and stick them over your nails. Unhappy with how clean your French tip lines are? Try hiding them by adding a little bit of glitter over them. Sharpies are a quick and easy way to create nail art. Just doodle over your manicure and seal it in with a top coat. Add some Vaseline around your cuticles before doing nail art, as it allows you to easily clean up any mess. Acrylic paint can be used for nail art instead of nail polish, and it allows you to easily mix your own colors. Speaking of custom colors, make your own nail polish by mixing some eyeshadow into clear polish. If nail vinyls are leaving you with a mess, be sure to add a top coat first and allow it to dry. Matte top coat smearing your nail art? Just add a glossy one first before using the matte one.